Okay, we're back on the Barbados job here in West University. They finished the acid wash and they are now doing the pressure wash to remove the top layer of cream to expose the aggregate. Just a real light pressure wash that removes that almost like butter from the wall. Exposes all the aggregate and all the sparkles. It makes it real consistent. We always try to, when we acid wash, we'll pour the acid right on the tile. And also clean any haze from the tile as much as possible, and then we pressure wash to clean any plaster that might be left on the tile. So these guys do a real good job kind of finishing up and tidying up the job. And basically we'll do the entire pool this way. Pretty quick process. On bigger pools we'll have 2 pressure washers going. This pool is small enough where we can just go one pressure washer. While he's finishing, they take the plugs out and put in the eyeballs. Okay, this is how we pressure wash the pool.